When you Google a balanced life, many websites pop up with titles something like Ways to Live a Balanced Life, or Step to Live a Balanced Life, or Successful People That Live Balanced Lives. These all have keys to what people think is a balance in life and defining what is a balanced life. It seems as though they have an opinion on how everyone should be living a balanced life, and that some internet blogger has figured out the key to the perfect balanced life. I think the first step in figuring out what a balanced life is defining what a balanced life is. It is important to balance everything in your life and make sure that you're filling your needs in different aspects of your life. If your life is out of balance, it can feel like you are being pulled in one way more than others, and it can make you feel overwhelmed or stressed. A quote from Jan Campbell about living a balanced life is it being defined as living with peace and harmony every day. Now, there's different aspects of what a balanced life is, and some of those are emotional, physical, social, and spiritual. One article I found was about the successful people living a balanced life, particularly how CEOs are trying to figure out a more balanced life. CEOs or other successful individuals are often looked up to for how to become successful or how to reach their goals. People make plans to make it big or become famous, wealthy, or whatever their desire may be. This article talks about how successful people live a balanced life and that more and more CEOs are trying to find the balanced life path and not be working 80 hours a week. It is easy to lose sight of a balanced life if you're super busy in the office or for students at school, but it is important to keep your body going and be as healthy as you can be. And this falls into one of the first categories of physical health as living a balanced life. The second goal that they have is family, and that because family can play a large role in your support system, so it is healthy to have strong family ties and mend any broken or hurting family relationships. The third step they have is social, and friends shouldn't be sacrificed in a balanced life. You shouldn't disregard your friends because of your work or your school. And friends are an important part of your life and are part of your support system outside of your family. Let's say, for instance, you live far away from home at school and your family isn't right there. Your friends are your immediate support system. The fourth step is financial, and it is important to feel in control of your financial stability because it will decrease your stress in your life. And this could mean that you need to set up a budget month per month or watch your extra spending, such as going out to eat and different extracurricular activities. The fifth step is business, and it is important to love what you do and make sure the time you spend at work is worth it. And if you love what you do, it is easy to go to work. So if you love what you study at school, then you're going to enjoy going to class, or if you love your sport, you're going to enjoy going to practice. The sixth one is civic, and civic indicates giving back to the community. And giving back to the community can have what's called emotional payback, and that can make you feel better about how you're spending some of your free time by giving back to your local community in the area that you live in. The seventh is spiritual, and this is how we refresh ourselves if we feel down and help us reconnect with what makes us feel more whole. And for many people, that is in religion. I particularly like this quote from one of the articles I found of happiness is not a matter of intensity, but of balance, order, and rhythm and harmony, because I feel like it encompasses the balanced life. Overall, I think living a balanced life is individualistic. We all have the same things we need to balance, such as family and work, but I think it is up to the individual to decide what is the balance. I think a balanced life leads to fulfillment. Fulfillment can come in many forms and is not necessarily based on wealth or fame. It is about what makes you happy and what makes you feel good about your life. And here are some of the references I used when I Googled a balanced life.